Content Studio has a powerful quick search tool which can be used to source files from high-level information such as text in the file name and keywords. With a combination of the version and category filters, we can perform more detailed searches. We can also use the quick search for an entire library. We can drill down and search at a category level, or we can do a high-level search which covers all libraries in the database across the business which are visible to that user. In this example, we'll do a high-level search and search for the word chair. When the results are returned, we can browse and in this case, select a file and look at its types. If we're happy with it, we can simply drag and drop to place it in a scene. We can also perform a similar process within Revit using the search palette. Here we can set the filter to a particular version, search all libraries or a particular library, and we can filter by category. In this example, we'll repeat the quick search, this time searching for a table. Left-clicking the file informs us that the file has a type catalog associated with it. Clicking Load will invoke the native type catalog selection box where we can select one or multiple types and load into the project. The item can be placed in the scene and when finished, press Escape to complete the placement. Clicking in the type selector, we can also see that the two types selected have been successfully loaded into the project. To load a file with embedded types, a similar process is followed. Perform the search, then left-click a file to preview any embedded types, and allow pre-selection of the types before it's loaded. If the family already exists in the project, like it does in this case, and it's the same version, the version already loaded within the project will be used. This means Content Studio can be used as your go-to place for sourcing files regardless of whether they already exist in a project or not. This is a huge advantage for detailed items where previews and names are somewhat limited. Loading a family which is different will invoke the standard overwrite options for you to choose from.